Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing notes on Instagram app in iPhone and Android phone. So open up the Instagram app. Now if I go to the message section here in my Instagram app, now at the top you can see I have notes from different people. Okay, now if you're missing this particular section, then there are three methods in order to solve it. Okay, let's look at the first one. So you need to go to the App Store or the Play Store and open up the Instagram. Now you can see open is written in front of the Instagram. That means my app is updated. Now because Notes is a new feature, you need to update your app. So if you see the update option, you need to simply update it. So this is the first method. Now second one is to, let me go to the Instagram app, go to your profile. Now click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner you can see three lines. You need to tap on that one. Now tap on settings at the top. Alright, now tap on accounts in these options. Now at the bottom you can see one of the options as switch account type, or maybe you must be having written professional account or something like that. Okay, instead of add new professional account. So what happens is sometimes you need to switch your account type to personal one and then to professional one back. Okay, so I'm going to click on switch account type. Now you can see there are two options. Now switch to personal account. Switch to personal account here. Now it will update some features inside the messages section and all that. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, let me try it again. Switch account type, switch to personal, switch to personal account. Okay, now if I go to the messages section here again, now you can see there are different at the top you can see messages and requests is coming, and there was one more folder when I was into the professional mode. Okay, so let me go back here again, go again to the settings here, then account, then switch to professional account. So sometimes you need to do this once so that all those new features that Instagram is continuously giving will be updated in your account. So I am here, let me do it as digital creator, done. That will take a few seconds here. Okay, creator, click on next, edit profile. Okay, let me skip. So again, if I go to the message section here, you can see there is a primary, general and request option is coming, and maybe it will also solve your notes problem at the top. Now after doing both these settings, the notes option is not coming. Then what you need to do is simply uninstall your app. Okay, uninstall your app, then again install the normal version of the app from the Play Store or the App Store. You don't need to do beta version and something like that, which people a few people tell to install for the features. Simply install the normal version of the app from the Play Store or the App Store, and it will solve your notes problem. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.